In this video, let's talk about how to fix business email login problem. Now in this situation, the first thing that you could do is try to clear out the browser cookies and cache. So what you could do is simply tap on the three-dotted line on the top right, head over to delete browsing data, head over to more options and make sure that last 24 hours are selected, and then tap on delete data. In most cases, once you do this thing, you should be able to gain access of your account and you should be able to log into your account. If you're still having issues, also make sure that you turn off any sort of VPNs that you currently might be connected to. Now, if none of these solutions are working out for you, in this situation, you'll need to contact your IT help desk. So if you see an error like account suspended or contact your IT administrator, your account may have been automatically locked due to security policy updates or maybe even password expiration rules. So in this situation, just contact the IT help support within your company. So that's the way on how you could do it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.